I'm Susan. Today I am trying a new brownie recipe, and this one has a chocolate icing as well. I'm always on the lookout for a homemade brownie that I like as well as I do a box. So for this recipe you'll need 2 cups of sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1 cup of shortening, 4 eggs, 1 1/3 cups of all-purpose flour, a 1/2 cup of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 cup of chopped nuts. I'm using walnuts. So I hope everybody's doing great, and without further ado, let's get started. I have my oven preheating to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm spraying my baking dish. Now to your mixing bowl, you want to add your sugar, your vanilla, your shortening, and your eggs, and mix them very well. Once you've got everything mixed well and scraped down your bowl, you want to sift in all your dry ingredients and mix that as well as your nuts together. And you want to do this by hand because you don't want tough brownies. Now you want to pour your batter into your baking dish and bake for about 25 to 30 minutes or until the brownies are done. You don't want to overbake them. For the icing, you'll need 1/3 a cup of powdered cocoa, 1 box of powdered sugar, which is about 3½ cups, 1 stick of butter melted, a 1/2 cup of evaporated milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1 cup of nuts. I toasted mine. Now you want to whisk together your sugar and your cocoa, and then you want to add in the rest of your ingredients. This recipe was so easy, and you didn't even have to get out your mixer, which is wonderful. Now you just want to ice your brownies, and these brownies were so good. This icing set up, and it was almost like fudge. It was very rich, very decadent, and very good. I think we found our brownie recipe, but I'm still going to keep looking for others. But my family just went gaga over these. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. I love y'all. And until next time, bye y'all.